Hello, and welcome to this video where we're going to be looking at the centre of mass. To help me, I've got two identical, well, almost identical sticks, and we're going to be looking at how we can balance them. So let me show you this quick trick to balance a stick. You want to take your stick and put your fingers on either end, and then slowly you want to move your fingers towards each other. You'll feel resistance as you do so, but eventually your fingers will come together to meet at a specific point. And we call this point the centre of mass. And you can see that the stick is clearly balanced. You can think of the centre of mass as being almost the average point of this object. So what about this other stick? What happens here? I'm going to do the same thing again, and I'm going to keep my fingers either end, and I'm going to slowly move them towards each other. Again, you'll be able to feel the resistance. You'll be able to feel the resistance as you're moving the stick. And eventually you'll get to a point where the stick again balances, which in this case is here. I'll just move it over a little bit. You can see it's not being supported at either end. So why is that? Why is this stick different to the one before? Have a think, come up with your own suggestions, and then we'll find out why. Let's go back to the first stick. So the first stick, as you can see, balanced somewhere near the middle. We've got a similar amount of stick on either side. This stick is uniform. Each side has the same mass, and so the average point will be right here. With our other stick, which balanced around about here, the stick is not uniform. It's a lot more dense at this end and a lot less dense at this end, and so therefore we have to have a lot more stick to equal the same mass. The mass on either side is balanced at this point, and the average point would now be here, and this is the point where we can balance it. You can't balance either of these sticks at any other point than their centre of mass. This is a really useful way of determining the centre of mass of an object, as the object will only balance when it's supported underneath its centre of mass. So there we go, that's a quick introduction to the centre of mass.